Hello there, people. Sorry about the noise. It's raining like crazy outside. So, here's a little something for you ST riders out there. Changing the headlight bulbs. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube basically taking all of this apart. I have no idea why people do that. You do not need to remove the front end of the motorcycle to change the light bulbs. Don't do that. No point. There's no point in doing that. You see, this bike was built by engineers, right? Engineers built this thing. Trust the engineers. Do that. If you want to change this light bulb, do that if you want to change that light bulb. I just changed that, so I'm going to change the other one because that one went and this one's probably not far behind. Behind here you have all the room. It's hard to show. Can you see that? You have all the room in the world back here. On here. Up here. Don't remove the front end of your motorcycle to change the light bulbs.